Hi, in this tutorial I will install the live server extension for the VS Code editor. I have opened a folder sample project in the left sidebar. Now I go to extension, then I search for live server. When I will get it, I will go to install, click on install, and it is installed. When it is installed, what I will do, I will open any of my HTML files. Suppose login.html, this file I open. This is a HTML file. Then just right click on this place, anywhere you can make right click from the mouse, and then you will see that open with live server option. Click here. When you will click here, you see that automatically a server comes and your HTML file comes using that server. So in this way you can easily navigate and easily run any of your HTML files using the live server extension.